In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly cut an object in Blender using the Bisect tool. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to make precise cuts in your 3D models with ease. Let's start by launching Blender on your computer. Once Blender is up and running, identify and select the object that you want to modify. Simply click on it in the main workspace and you'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. Next, navigate to the top of your screen and locate the Edit Mode option. Switching to this mode will enable you to make changes directly to the mesh. In this mode, you can press A on your keyboard to select all vertices. Alternatively, you can go to the Select tab and choose All from the drop-down menu to achieve the same result. Selecting All ensures that any edits you make apply uniformly across the entire object. Now, move over to the Mesh tab and scroll to find the Bisect tool. This is where the magic happens. Once you have selected Bisect, click and drag your mouse over the object. This action creates the initial cut. The beauty of the Bisect tool lies in its simplicity. You have the freedom to adjust the direction and angle of your cut just by moving your mouse. To verify the accuracy of your cut, head to the Viewport Shading options and enable X-ray mode. This feature gives you a better view of the internal structure of your object, allowing you to ensure that your cut goes exactly where you want it to. If the initial cut isn't quite right, don't worry. In the lower left corner, click back on the Bisect settings to make any necessary adjustments. You can refine the cut by dragging the line or by increasing the points on it to suit your requirements. After perfecting the cut, go to the Vertex tab and scroll to find Ripped Vertex. Clicking this will allow you to separate the mesh at the cut line. This step sets the stage for isolating specific parts of your model. With your vertices prepped, it's time to go back to the Select tab. Scroll down to Select Linked and click on Linked. This command helps you isolate the selection that directly relates to your cut, making it easier to work with specific portions of your object. Finally, simply drag the cut section away from the main object. And there you have it. A precise cut using Blender's Bisect tool. I hope this tutorial makes you feel more confident in using Blender's editing capabilities. Thank you for following along, and happy modeling!